All right, look at that, guys. Right there, you can see we just finished playing for 2 hours, 60.7 FPS on this $350 PC build. That is just insane. Let's go, bro. What's up? Yo, get out of here, bro. Look at that. Oh, are you serious? Come on, man. Look at this dude. What I have sitting right down there is our custom $350 PC. Yes, that's right, only $350 for the whole PC, the case, the motherboard, processor, graphics card, everything. And what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna play Call of Duty WarZone, the very popular battle royale game right here, and we're gonna see how much FPS we get. And this is only possible thanks to the brand new processor from AMD. It's the Ryzen 3100 for only $100. You get 4 cores and 8 threads, so it's the perfect budget gaming processor. Now, before we get into the actual gameplay, I want to mention a couple of things. For only $350, you can't really expect that much because we just got the bare minimums for all the specs to get it to that price point. So down in the description below, I'm gonna have a bunch of Amazon links to some better alternatives just in case you have some extra cash beyond $350. And one last thing, I wanna mention that we already made a step-by-step build guide on how to build this $350 PC by yourself. So if you're interested in this PC, definitely check that video out after this one. Let's get right into CoD WarZone. So I already played this a couple times and I found the optimal settings for this ridiculously cheap $350 PC. We've got 1080p resolution, no frame rate limit. We've got the textures on normal, shadows on low, all of these settings disabled that really don't matter in a game, especially for Battle Royale. All right, so check this out. I don't know if you guys can see, but running at about 59 FPS, went down to 49 at times, so it's definitely not perfect, but I mean, 350 bucks, you know, what are you gonna expect? All right, got one dude. Oh no, I need to reload. Got him, look at that. 57 FPS I saw right there. So sometimes we're hitting 60 FPS here, 64, 62, but we are going down around 51 right now. 49, I think the lowest I usually see is 48. But overall, it still feels smooth, pretty smooth, definitely fine for gaming. And then considering that a lot of consoles that these people are playing on, they're getting 30 FPS. Got him, yes. So we're getting this FPS, I mean, look at that, 60 FPS right now. Got him. Oh! Got him! So overall, I'm really impressed with that performance. We were hitting a bare minimum of about 48 FPS, and sometimes we were getting up to 70, but usually we stayed about 55 FPS average, so that's not bad for the $350 bare minimum PC setup. So what I'm gonna do is put in another 8 gig stick of RAM. This is 35 bucks if you want to add that into your budget. All right, so I just put that RAM in, literally took me 2 seconds. As you can see, we've got 2 sticks of 8 gigs right there. Let's get back into the game. All right, so here we are, and we're still looking like getting the same FPS, 53, 54. Come on, bro, get out of here. Just don't die to his nade. Whew, almost died. So far, it seems like the single stick of RAM wasn't really limiting us that much because I'm still seeing it drop down 48 FPS. So I don't think that is an issue. Ooh, got him. So the RAM didn't really do that much. Let's pop in that 580 graphics card and see how it does. All right, guys, I just swapped in that 580 right there. You can see it. RX 580, I didn't even have to update the drivers. All right, so here we are, and instantly you guys can see we're getting 122 FPS, 120. This is great for that small change of going with the alternative graphics card. Look at that, 156, 158. That's insane. Oh, I actually got the dude, you see that? Dude, get out of here. What are you guys doing, man? 110 FPS right now. This is great. Massive difference compared to the 560. What I'm gonna do in just a minute, I'm gonna try out 4K, but let's play like this for a little bit. Honestly, with that Ryzen 3100 processor, it's just so incredibly consistent. Such a good deal, 100 bucks. 4 cores, 8 threads. Woo! Woo! Got him! Still over 100 FPS. Really smooth right now. This is awesome. 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160. Let's do it. Got 2 of them. Getting about, look at that, the same FPS that we used to get before. All right, so now that we're at 4K, we're getting about 55, 56, 49, 48 FPS. Oh, come on, let me get him. Yes, got that dude. Woo. So let's actually go down to 1440p. All right, so there you guys go, looking at it, 72, 78 FPS. Much, much better. We're not going below 60 at all. I'm actually gonna go into the settings and let's swap those texture resolutions up to high, these two right here. Look at that, still at 70, 69. Somebody's shooting at me. Oh, through the window, come on, man. Yo! All right, so I switched back to 1080p, just seeing how much FPS we can get. 117 right there, 113. Let's go, bro, what's up? Yo, get out of here, bro, look at that. Oh, are you serious? Come on, man. Look at this dude. So as you guys can see from our FPS, 125 right there, feels very smooth thanks to the 3100 processor. Come on, yep, got him. Yes, got him. Even got a headshot. There you guys have it. That's the build. We have all the parts down in the description below, and you guys can click right over there to check out the build guide to see how we built it, because it's actually really simple. This is the most simple build that we've ever done, so definitely check that out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think about it down in the comment section below, and click that circle above to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.